Bafethu niyalazi ngegama uKhatha Gontalena mona aka uMr Setho kaufela Matsiba aka Mr Cool himself into lasemahonji la Blomotsotsi la kujiya khona ibhoda ngine namhlanje ngishayela aziye kala ebafethu ngizenge indaba nyana bengihlezi ebusuku ngicabanga yabo so nayo into engicabangayo mina engiyibonayo ukuthi yenzakele izwani bafethu angisho ukuthi uright ushebe ne angisho nokuthi uwrong ushebe ne mara sibheke ngale scenario bafethu uShebeshita sonke siyazi bafethu ushonelo mntana ne number 1 uShebeshita une-anger number 2 une-short temper you understand so lento le yenzakalile ukuthi kube nokuphikisana okusala kwaba khona amarobotini you understand so labantu baphikisana amarobotini angazi babaphikisana ngani angazi bebalwelana uShebeshita ashaya imoto makashaya imoto uShebeshita ayopaka egarage le out le elolo Shebeshita ishaya imoto na iye garage mithiwele emuva uShebeshita ushonelo mntana uShebeshita unenhliziyo encane ngapho nethathu ebhale ukuthi I am ready to die wena uyahamba uyamlandelela vie ngapho tsaka RSA ubusy uyamhlokoloza so wena uyegarage uyisusa mawuyisusa uShebeshita ukhipha isibhamu uyakudubula obvious ukuthi mayikhipha isibhamu akudubula that's the matter of what self defense because defender from umuntu ozayo because abanye abantu bashaya ngempama why wena khithi ukudubula kusho ukuthi kunento nawe bofuna ukuyenza eyenza ukuthi uShebeshita akhiphe isibhamu akudubule mara njengomuntu okrodi njengomuntu ocabangayo uShebeshita bekazothi maka egarage bongeke uye egarage bozoshaya imoto uhambe uye ekhaya mara wena because nawe ukhanda shisa wenzani uye egarage ufuna ukula noShebeshita so lento kayi2 bekumele kukhala umntana umama kabani so bekumele kulimala uShebeshita o bekumele kulimalele out ibingalimala ngale out bekuzolimala uShebeshita and the country bezojabula ukuthi yeah you met your match labantu bobahlupha bobayenzani nangu ke lokushayina manje uShebeshita udubulele out kwenzakaleni manje abantu bathi ya uShebeshita wrong wayenze lento le mara if le out le bengayanga egarage le out yashaya imoto yandlula ngabe le scenario ayikho la ikhona manje so ezinye izinto bafethu yekani ukupressela abantu zonke siyamazi lo muntu une short term nina nilokele namhlokoloza maseka actor kuba kanje bheka manje kunjani mara mina nami ngisathanda zenyasho uShebeshita uzophuma because lo uyayiphethe akusilo yanyana uzophuma out yami nawe esibhedlela sithi Paula uhile but then kobanye abantu bafethu yekelana ukuhlokoloza abantu uma ubona umuntu ama ndlula ukula is not an option because bheka omunye se-ICU omunye usejele both families are crying so ngegama uNtariana Mula danko bafethu ongayizwanga kahle owakhe namajazi akhe afonela umakhelana amtshela ukuthi ungikhulumile afonela umakoti noma mncane wakhe abatshela ukuthi ungikhulumile okwataya kakwati even Jesus was stoned to death fact to be loved #enzonda aziye khala
I kill for fun.
We want Shebeshita out! Yeah! Left black samo, fast. I'm watching!
Shebe, para la tasol para thawa ni moanya. Para tanga mogono wena.
Shebe. Over discharge of firearm. What are discharge of firearm error? Motho be tshile tlapeng o ka re mollo.
Oh, firearm.
Mollo letso. Amo ke clap.
Kutumete kill one by one. One tsuketse ka mafetsa ka gana.
Therefore, this matter is therefore postponed to the 21st of November 2025 for such profiling and further investigations.
Ushebe, ujabulile uzikhenzisa kana ndaba nawe. La ukhalisa indaba yakhe akusushebe. Ushebeshita kana ndaba nawe. Akakwazi ukuthi baligama lakho. Thetha Ntombazana. Akubona baka Shebe simple. Hey, sisiyabona wena. No. Surplus nigga. Surplus nigga. Oh, Teme. Oh, pa. Oh, Lola. Uthatha thini? Jump shoot, kana ina kitani. Sabi ya ithi high speed shoot, akiseni kujai.
Hello, Mzansi, it's Akasubgal. For those who do not know, Tsaka RSA and Shebeshit have a boxing match on the 26th of December 2025 Kopolokwane Stadium. So Tsaka is currently defending Shebeshit because if Shebeshit remains in jail, it means that he's also losing on his side, which is money because they've booked, they've arranged all sorts of logistic things. So another thing, Tsaka's rose to fame, guys. So so I get over rise to fame or rose to fame. He built his brand because using Shebeshit's name. So Rebelo Mabena atlo ka tronko. La bona re saka like uzamile go di content le batho ka mapona a berekishawo and then all of a sudden within a day or two o release a music. I like his music. But a lot of people do not prefer his music. They like his madness or his content online. The only content in for the past 2 years, Tsaka had a script, apela guys, there's a playlist here. I cannot summarize all of that drama. So it's the only thing that we saw entertaining. That's when we started to give Tsaka attention. So Tsaka without Shebeshit, he's nothing. It's almost like yes, wazama wa Jesus Christ as his Lord and Savior, but without AKA, asanali that source. So yanali AKA, it was a good beef, for lack of a better word, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So he needs to come up with a new strategy, something different, because bomb.
Ona jere tsere mabena mo mara le mtshwaretse ntwa go tlhaka botlhatse le re o thuntshitse motho mara le proof maphodisa ska la tombora lena la nkwa ke ngile ntse mabena abuye mo ke ne boxing match le mthuwe wa ka le nya boxing match ya rena e faila na maphodisa man maphodisa mfethu abuye man la nkwa ke a le go tshwarela motho ntwa go tlhaka botlhatse lena la nkwa le ka re motho o thuntshitse motho mara asila mtswara le mtswara gona tsamare a le no sthunya gausi se le re no thuntšhe motho ka sona so botlhatse bo ka yona mo maphodisa ngile menyana lena mabena abuye lena le nkwa ke bona ngile menyana lena a le fresh lena re mabena ka ntle free out mabena lena emanyana lena maphodisa yana gonga maphodisa yana a se fresh ngile ntšhe mabena abuye.